YouTubers from all over the world. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make 3 squares out of 1 square, but do it without any residues, without any overlappings, and without any empty spaces, so that this area here, the big A, is going to be equal to the sum of these 3 smaller areas, A1, A2 and A3. And of course the other condition is that these 3 squares has to be exactly the same size. So first of all, is this doable? Yes, it is. And I made this as some kind of a puzzle here to demonstrate to you. So we can start thinking about the solution of this problem, and by dividing a square into 4 squares. So dividing square into 4 squares is relatively intuitive and easy. So this is one paper square, and I just applied it like this horizontally, vertically, and like this horizontally. And if I cut now these lines, you get 4 squares that are exactly the same size and that add up exactly to the big squares area. So it's obvious and it's easy. So what about 2 squares? Now 2 squares, it's not that intuitive, but it's not difficult at all. And I have here this solution. So this is if we cut through the diagonals of the square, we get 4 equal the right triangles that are isosceles triangles also. And if we group these triangles 2 by 2, okay, like this, we get 2 squares that are the same size and that add up exactly to the big squares area. Okay, so 2 was easy, 4 was easy, but what about 3? 3 squares is not intuitive, and how can we achieve this? So this is the puzzle I've created, and this is already cut. I cut it to some thick paper or carton, and in order to demonstrate that it is a square, I can measure the side. It's exactly 18 centimeters, and the other side, its height is also exactly 18 centimeters. And I cannot demonstrate this to you, but all angles are straight, so I did my best to cut straight angles to make a perfect square, although it was hard. So how can this be divided into 3 squares? So I take this piece here and this is my first square. Okay, this is my first square. Then I take this piece, and this is my, oh, wait a minute, this is not a square, so I have to fill up the square. So I'm gonna fill up the square with these two pieces. Okay. Okay, and I get the second square. And now the third one. The third one. Okay. Is with these four pieces here. So, and this is how you make three squares out of one square. Of course, we are gonna measure the sides of these three squares, because if we don't measure the sides, you can think that maybe I'm cheating. So this square side is exactly 10.4 centimeters, and its height is maybe not exactly, but almost 10.4. Yeah. The second one is 10.4 by 10.4, and the third one, which was the first one, is 10.4 by 10.4. So, and you can see that the parts, my hands are a little bit shaky right now, but you can see that the parts match exactly and perfectly. And oh, fuck. Okay, this is how you solve this problem. But the more interesting thing is the mathematics behind this thing. And in the next video I will go through the mathematics of all this and tell you how this is achievable. Okay, for now that's all. I hope my video didn't waste your time, and I don't like to say at the end of the video, please like and subscribe, because you know all this. So I tell you goodbye till the next video.